So what does a Shell Club Artisan do? Well, they make things for the club to sell at the show. Today we're going to make a little quick make and take angel here quickly. You can see we're tying a tie to a flat wooden disc, and we're using 2 of these flat scallop shells along with a little balsa wood to make some wings for this. This balsa is very thin. You can cut it with scissors, and then whatever little wing pattern you use, just draw it around one way, then trace it the other direction so you have a matched pair. You can cut this with scissors or a craft knife. I found with the scissors it was easier. Give them a buff with a little nail file so that they're smoothed out, and then cover them with this faux leather backing. After you cut that out, just go ahead and hot glue that backing right onto the balsa wood wings, and then that'll serve as a background for the shells that we're going to put on it. You can see I've put a heavy weight on the other one to just kind of hold those 2 layers together until it cools. Once your wings are complete, you're going to add them to that disc along with the shells for the head and the body. We've got some hot glue here. We're applying the head in between the wings. Scrape off any excess glue with tweezers and then glue that second shell down. Go ahead and tack the top of the ribbon as well to keep it hanging straight, and then you're ready to cover the wings. Used a nice little selection of longer type auger sorts of shells and small coil shells here to fill the wings up and make an absolutely beautiful little angel. Oh my gosh, she's coming out so cute, but she's not quite ready yet. We need to add a few more little decorative elements. First, let's add this nice lace collar. Cut it at an angle so that it fits nicely over her neck and right by her wings. Then you just go ahead and attach that with hot glue. Then a small little sand dollar, little biscuit sand dollar, makes a perfect little face. These little scrapbook decorations actually are punched out of burlap, and they look really cute on her dress. And she needs a bow. Is it going to be her neck? Is it going to be her hair? I'm not sure. But let's make her some buttons down the front of her little dress by attaching these shells onto those punched out little burlap flowers. Oh my gosh, that is super cute. To finish it off in the back, we'll go with another piece of that faux leather, and it'll help hold everything together. Her bow ended up underneath her chin, and then she ended up over here at last year's show. Awesome. The show is coming up again in February, so keep your eyes tuned to Facebook and to the Sarasota Shell Club website for more information.